Hello and welcome everybody. This question is about labor costing. Well, we can pay them monthly or piecework basis, hourly basis, different wages and salaries we can pay to our employees. And if they work better or extra than their normal time, then we need to pay them overtime premium as well. So this question is all about this. Let's keep going through this question. It's about business called Alpha Industries pay their employees basic and overtime pay under the following arrangements. Okay, what are the arrangements? This question is taken from BPP course materials, which is really good one. So, okay, what are the arrangements for a basic 6 hours shift every day, Monday to Friday? So they pay basic pay for a basic 6 hour shift. That's their normal shift. For any overtime is paid in excess of the basic 6 hours. So if they work more than 6 hours, they get an overtime payment, which is for Monday to Friday. And the extra hours are paid at time and a half. Guys, what do you mean by time and a half? 1.5 times. Yeah, 1.5 times. So whatever is the basic pay, we need to multiply with 1.5 times. So that 0.5 is the premium. And what they said is basic pay plus overtime premium equals to the half of basic pay. That's all right. Okay, that is our one thing about the basic pay and overtime. Second one, they're talking about for 4 contracted hours each Saturday morning is the basic pay. For Saturday, 4 hours are basic pay. For any hours in excess of 4 hours on Saturday are paid at double time premium, but double. Yeah, remember, more than 4 hours on Saturday paid at a double. For any hours worked on Sunday, paid at a double. So Sunday, double as well. Complete the column headed basic pay, overtime, and total pay. So there are some columns, bottom as a table. Note 0 figures should be entered into the cells. Okay, that's great. There's no cell, but in the exams you'll get cells in AAT exams especially, and other exams there will be, if it is not computerized, no cells would be there. Where appropriate, overtime pay is the premium amount paid for the extra hours worked. We know this thing. So let's keep going bottom. We already know what things are there. Employees weekly timesheet for week ending anything 5th April, whatever it is employee name is M. Rooney, profit center, some center name, some number given. We don't need to be put any emphasis on it, no focus. The focus is here. Basic rate is £10. So what is the time and a half? 10 times by 1.5, you get time and a half is 15. So 1.5 represents £15, and obviously double, which is 2, represents £20. Okay guys, so I'm using my calculators, or so you can use your calculator as well. With that note, let's get started. Our basic shift work is 6 hours. Yeah, okay, so 6 hours basic hours spent on production or worked on indirect. So altogether indirect 2 on Monday, there are 8 hours worked. So for 8 hours, guys, £10 per hour, isn't it? 8 times by 10, 80 is the basic rate, and the premium, 2 hours of premium. Premium amount is 5, time and a half. So 2 hours premium, 5 times by 2, that gives you 10. 80 plus 10, 90 is the total payment. That's for Monday. Tuesday, 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 6 times by 10, 60. There is no premium, so 60 is the answer. Wednesday, 8 hours worked, remember? So 2 hours extra work, but for the basic payment, here is the basic, is going to for 8 hours. 8 times by 10, 80. And 2 hours worked extra for 2 hours. 2 times by 5. 5 is the premium. Time and a half, that's why. So that's going to be 10, just like Monday, no change. 90. Then on Thursday, 6 hours worked. So there is no extra hours work. 6 times by 10, 60. No premium. And 60 is the total. Friday, 6 plus 1 we can see. 7. 7 hours basic rate at the rate of 10 is 70, but 1 hour worked extra. And time and a half, £5 for 1 extra hours. Is the premium payment. 75 is the total. Saturday, remember, what was the clause regarding Saturday? Okay, here we go. Let me show you here. For 4 contracted hours. Any hours worked in excess of 4 hours are paid at double. So let's go to bottom, Saturday. Little more. Okay, there it is. Saturday is 6 hours worked. So 6 hours we supposed to get 6 times by 10, 60. But remember, double, 2 hours for more than 4 is we worked 6 hours here. So 2 hours extra. 2 times by 20 because it's paid double. So 60 and 20 here. Altogether 80. That was the Saturday. And Sunday, if you remember, was double. Whatever hours we work on is double. So 3 hours basic pay at the rate 10 is 30 times by 3. And overtimes are double, which is 20. Altogether, 20 times by 30 gives you 60 is the total. But of that 60, 30 for basic and 30 for your overtime premium. That's it, guys. You just need to get the totals, and let me get the calculator. The calculator says the total of the basic is 440, premium 75, and total payment is 515. And that is the calculation of your labor costing. Hope it helped you.